Hi, this is Ashley. I am a nurse calling from the hospital. Am I speaking to the husband of Jane?
Yes, that's his gem.
Hi, Jim. I am the day shift nurse calling to update you on how the night went for Jane. Is now a good time?
Ah, yeah, sure.
Awesome. So, Jane had a hard night last night. The night shift nurse mentioned that he last updated you around 10 p.m. when he called to obtain consent for blood. Is that correct?
Yes, the nurse had told me that Jane was requiring some blood transfusions for a GI bleed.
Yes, that is correct. So last night, Jane received about 10 different blood products. She has a pretty significant lower GI bleed that we are currently in the process of trying to stop in order to stabilize her.
Oh, wow.
The night shift team took her to a CAT scan last evening to evaluate her abdomen for the bleeding in anticipation that she may need a procedure with our interventional radiology team today. We're still waiting for those results to be read, and a provider will be touching base with you once we know which intervention she'll need next.
Oh, yikes, this sounds rough. How's her breathing doing? I know they put her on that ventilator a few days ago.
Her breathing seems to be doing okay at the moment. We have Jane on a little sedation medication right now to keep her comfortable. What I am more concerned about right now is Jane's blood pressure. With all of the bleeding and blood loss, her blood pressure has been quite low, requiring us to start Jane on some medications called vasopressors in order to keep the blood pressure up.
Oh, yes, I think she required one of those medications a few years ago.
Her blood pressure is currently okay, but we have needed to give her a lot of blood products and a lot of these vasopressor medications in order to keep her blood pressure within a normal range.
Oh, my poor Jane sounds so sick.
Yeah, she is very sick, and I'm sorry to be calling with this news this morning. Are you anticipating coming in today?
Well, I wasn't planning on coming in today. Do you think I should?
That is definitely a personal decision, but I would say, given Jane's current health state, everything is very tenuous right now. And if you are able to make it in today, I would definitely encourage it.
All right, let me just wrap a few things up around the house and I will be there.
All right, Jem. In the meantime, I'll call you if there's any urgent update. Otherwise, we'll take good care of Jane, and I will see you in a bit.
Thank you, Ashley. I'll see you soon.